The United States Department of Defense, Arlington, Virginia, has issued a civil danger warning for Loudoun, Virginia, Fairfax, Virginia, Arlington, Virginia, Washington, D.C., Montgomery, Maryland, Howard, Maryland, Baltimore, Maryland, Hartford, Maryland, Lancaster, Pennsylvania, Montgomery, Pennsylvania, and Berks, Pennsylvania. At 10 a.m., the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe disruption in the northern Chesapeake Bay. At 10:15 a.m., there was a sudden spike in 911 calls throughout Hartford, Maryland. Recordings of these calls indicate the appearance of hostile humanoid entities that self-identified as Gungurs. Hartford, Maryland is now unresponsive to communications, and similar 911 call spikes have occurred in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania, and Baltimore County, Maryland. Any civilians in the affected areas, or within 100 miles of the Chesapeake Bay, should evacuate immediately, as the nature of the threat is not fully understood. Within no more than 1 hour, pack a vehicle with a week's worth of supplies. If something or someone unexpected appears outside or inside your residence during your preparation, it is likely a Gungur. Take all necessary measures to prevent their approach. Once your vehicle is prepared, drive west. Stay with your passengers. Do not allow yourself to be isolated with any stranger, nor with any acquaintances, passengers, or loved ones who you have been isolated from for more than 1 hour. Do not approach populated areas. Do not trust acquaintances or loved ones who you believe were in populated areas at or after 10 a.m. on August 31st. The United States military as an organization is currently trustworthy, but do not isolate yourself or your passengers with any individual member. Until further notice, drive at least 400 miles west every day. If the Gungur threat cannot be managed, preparations have begun in San Francisco, California, for a population relocation to Eurasia. This relocation will take place on Saturday, September 7th, and include all civilians in the Bay Area on that date. Follow these instructions. Do not attempt air travel. Stay away from bodies of water. Do not sleep in your vehicle or in open air. Expect daily alerts from the Department of Defense with updated information.